Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that you're staying warm if you live in a cold area like me. January and February just feel like the longest months because it is so cold. I woke up this morning and it was 1 degree. I'm so over these single digit temperatures. I cannot wait for spring. Because it's now February, that means spring is next month. I am counting down the days and I was so excited when I actually got my Fabfitfun spring box in the mail. I'm kind of channeling spring with my spring shirt, my spring box. So I thought I would just kind of put myself in a spring mood and show you guys what I got. So I do want to say thank you to Fabfitfun for sponsoring today's video. Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription service. It is my favorite. It comes once a season. You get full-size products and it's just such a happy package to get in the mail because it reminds me the next season is right around the corner. One of the reasons why I love Fabfitfun so much is because you're actually able to customize your box, which is so nice because if there are products that you're so excited about, you can actually choose them. So if you're an annual member, you get to customize your entire box. And if you're a seasonal member, you get to choose 4 products and then Fabfitfun will curate the rest for you. Or if you like to be surprised, you can always choose that option too. But there are so many different categories to choose from. So you can include home decor, fashion, beauty, wellness. I usually include a mix, sometimes a lot of home decor, but this time around I chose a lot of beauty products because there were so many good options, including skincare, makeup, so I can't wait to share them with you. Each box has value of up to $250 depending on how you customize it each season. And what's nice is a lot of time there are products in the box that are worth more than the cost of the box. So it really is such a good deal in terms of value. If you use my code Andrea, it will actually get you $10 off. So I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can try it out. They do ship to the US and Canada as well. And when you join Fabfitfun, you actually get access to their flash sales. I've talked about those on my channel. I actually got a shower curtain during the last one, which I love. It's just so fun to be able to shop all different categories, and they offer up to 70% off. I just think they are great. They partner with female-founded companies. They have charity partners. There are so many amazing aspects to Fabfitfun. So I'll put more information in the description box below, but let's jump into it and I'll show you what I got inside my spring box. By the way, this is what the box looks like for spring. It is so bright and fun. It just puts me in a good mood. So like I said, this season I did choose a lot of beauty products because there were so many good options that I feel like are perfect for that like winter into spring transition time. And this duo right here is probably worth almost the cost of the box on its own. And this is my favorite lip gloss formula. I was so excited when I saw that this was available as one of the choices. So these are from Fenty Beauty. You actually get 2 of their Gloss Bomb Heat glosses. One is an existing shade and then one's actually a new shade that I was planning on buying anyway, so I loved that I was able to get it in my box. The existing shade is Hot Cherry. I purchased this I believe last summer, and I just fell in love with the formula. I loved the color so much because it just gives your lips a really pretty pop of color. These are sheer lip glosses, so they look a little bit intimidating in the tube, but I'll actually apply it for you so you can see what it looks like. They are plumping glosses, so they just give your lips a little bit of a boost. They give you such a pretty glossy sheen. They make your lips look so smooth. I love to wear this one on its own. It's great over a lip liner, so I'm really excited to have another one because now I can keep one in my purse and then also one right there where I do my makeup over at my vanity, and I just love this color. I think it's so perfect for the spring. But I was even more excited for this color. This one is Lemon Lava. It's actually a new shade. They just released this like a few weeks ago, and I was planning on picking it up. It's such a pretty color. It's like a golden clear with some shimmer in it. I'm wearing it today on top of a nude lip liner, and I feel like it just complements the nude lip liner so well. That's what I was really looking forward to, but I've also worn it on its own, and it's so nice on its own because it just gives you that pretty glossy sheen without any color. The rest of the Gloss Bomb Heats all have a hint of color, which I do like, but sometimes you just want a clear gloss, especially if you're wearing it over lipstick. And this is absolutely perfect. So if you haven't tried these yet, these are amazing. I'm sure some of you guys chose these for your box as well. So if you did, you'll have to let me know what you think. But I couldn't believe they included these because they are my favorite. The next product that I knew that I wanted to try instantly, like as soon as I saw it, is this one from Josie Maran. This one is the Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter, and this one is in the scent Sweet Citrus. I've heard so many good things about the Josie Maran body butter, but also just their products in general. So I was excited to give this one a shot, especially because recently I asked you guys for body cream and body butter recommendations, and a lot of you guys said that you love this one. So I decided to choose it as one of my choices, and it is so good. This is incredibly hydrating. My skin has been so dry this winter, and I love just applying the most like moisturizing, luxurious feeling body butter after I take a shower, and this is so nice because it definitely leaves your skin feeling really hydrated all day long. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'll take a shower in the morning, apply this product, and then at night when I'm getting changed and getting ready to go to bed, my skin feels so moisturized, even still, like hours and hours later. And a little bit goes such a long way. This just feels like a high-end, luxurious body butter. It is currently my favorite. I also love the scent. It has a really nice citrus scent, which I feel like is perfect for the morning time and also perfect as we head into spring. A lot of my current body butters and body creams have a strong watermelon scent because I was really into that last year. And lately I just can't deal with like the fake watermelon scent. So this one is perfect. It's lightly scented, it's not too overpowering, but it's just really refreshing and really nice in the morning time. I actually chose another moisturizer. This is from Farmacy. I was excited when I saw that this was available because I have tried some of their skincare products in the past and I've really enjoyed them. And this is their Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I've thought about trying this from time to time because it always jumps out at me. And when I saw that it was available as a choice, I thought this would be the perfect time because I've kind of worked my way through a couple of other moisturizers that I already had open. First of all, I love the packaging. It feels really luxe. I think it looks so cute. What's really nice about this is it comes with a little tiny spatula that just sticks right on top. So that has been perfect because I feel like my nails are a little bit too long to kind of dip into moisturizers lately. This is such a nice texture. My skin has always been dry with the exception of my face, but for some reason this winter I've been dealing with a little bit of dryness, which is so new for me. I feel like my skin is kind of more combo than it is oily. And I've just really loved intense hydrating moisturizers, but not something over the top. Like I've tried some formulas that are just a little bit too much. This is so nice. I can use this in the morning or at night because it is really rich and really moisturizing, but it sinks in well. So it doesn't feel like I'm applying something incredibly heavy to my skin. My skin has been loving this product. I apply it, it just like drinks it up and my skin looks so smooth and plump, but also radiant and healthy. It is such a nice moisturizer. I especially love using it at night because the next morning when I wake up, I feel like my skin just looks really refreshed and I'm not dealing with as much trouble. Like my skin doesn't feel as combo. It feels a little bit more balanced when I use something like this every single night. So I've been enjoying it a lot. I think it is such a great option if you are still looking to choose something for your box. Let's switch gears. I did choose some products that are not beauty related because I just thought they would be perfect for spring. So the first thing is from the brand Privé Revaux. These are actually sunglasses. I'm pretty sure that the majority of my sunglasses, I don't have a ton. I'm pretty sure the majority of them have either come in Fabfitfun boxes or through their flash sales because they do have some really great options. They've introduced me to some good brands and I just thought this style was a lot of fun. So fun for spring. They come in this little bag, which is nice. I've been wanting to switch it up and try a different style. A lot of mine are shaped very similarly and I just thought these were kind of fun. They have a little bit of like that cat eye design and then on the top they have like this gold detailing, which I just thought was really unique. So they're really cute. They definitely work because it is so bright in here and I just like them. They're a little bit more glamorous than other sunglasses that I have, but I feel like they would be perfect for just like driving around or going to the beach, going on vacation. Realistically, where I live in the spring, it's still usually pretty cold, but it can get really sunny. So even in the winter when the sun like bounces off the snow. So I feel like these are so fun. I love them. They're different than anything that I have. So I'm excited to use these. A little bit of a practical choice, just something that I knew I would get a lot of use out of, are these hair clips from the brand Gemily. So I love these hair clips. My hair is usually down in YouTube videos, but I will clip my hair up with these all the time because they don't typically cause a lot of creases. So if I do my hair and I know I want to wear it down later, I can always clip it up with these, but I lose these all the time. I actually had a brown one like this that I loved. It was my favorite, and then I lost it. I have no idea where it went. Typically, if I'm like out and about, I'll sometimes like clip it on my purse, but if I forget and I set it down, it's just gone. So I feel like it's always nice to have more of these. I love the matte black one. I feel like this just kind of blends in with my hair when I want something a little bit more subtle, but they're just nice. I like that these are big too because I do have long hair, so this will definitely hold all of my hair really well. So again, a practical choice, but something I know that I will use a lot. I have two more things to share with you guys. I got a lip oil from the brand Winky Lux. I love the design of this one. I'll have to do a close-up shot for you. There are these cute little gold stars in there, but the actual formula is so nice. I love lip oils. I tried a lip oil not for the first time last year, but like that's when I really started getting into them because these days I either wear lip oils or lip glosses, and this is a very conditioning formula. A lot of the lip oils that I try are are so thin that I feel like you have to reapply them, which is fine if that's what you're going for. This one just like hugs the lips and stays on really nicely, but it's just a clear lip oil. A lot of the ones that I have are tinted, so I feel like this is nice and it's just super cute. So again, something really practical that I know I will get a lot of use out of. And the last thing in here is from the brand London Town. This is their cuticle cream. I love cuticle products that come in packaging like this. I think they are so easy to apply. They're so much more convenient than like an oil that you have to like dip the brush in and then apply it to your nails, because this is something I can throw in my purse, and then that's usually when I notice that my cuticles are looking a little bit rough, either then or when I'm doing my nails. But you just click the little clicker on the bottom and you just swipe it on your nails and it comes out really nicely. It's like a little bit of a hydrating cream formula. I like this one because it doesn't have a really strong scent. A lot of them, because they are like very oily products, have really strong scents associated with them, but this one doesn't smell like anything. It's just a very nice, moisturizing, lightweight product, and I feel like it is perfect for on the go. So I thought this was just a fun product that they included. So that is everything I got inside my Fabfitfun box for spring. I feel like I got so many good products, and honestly, there were a lot of good products to choose from. I had kind of a hard time choosing some of them because there were really good earrings, there were other fun beauty products, some home decor. So I would love to know what you guys got inside your box, what you decided to choose this time around. Let me know. I feel like my mood is just boosted talking about these products and how I'll be using them in the spring. Winter just feels like such a long time where I live, and by the end of it you're just over it. You feel sick of the cold weather, and just the thought that spring is right around the corner and I'll be able to incorporate these products and just enjoy like some sun and warm weather definitely boosts my mood, puts me just in a better place. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put a link in the description box below to Fabfitfun's website. You can use my code Andrea to get $10 off. And like I said, there are a lot of great options this season, so I would love to hear what you guys choose for your box. Let me know. But I'll see you guys very soon with a new one. Bye.